is Annika, and I'm a student at the University of Warwick. I've been living at Trinity View for 1 year, and during this time I've worked at the desk as a receptionist, and I've also done some blogging and helped with the marketing team as well. I enjoyed my stay here so much that I've decided to stay for another year, and in this video clip I'll be showing you all of the amenities and all of the rooms that we have here at Trinity View. So here we are in the Trinity View common room. As you can see, we have a pool table here and a foosball table. And if you come along, we also have great spaces for you to chill out with your friends. If you want to watch something as a group, you can connect to the TV we have. And here we also have a few study spaces if you want to study as a bigger group. You come through, I'm going to show you one of my favorite parts of the building. It's a small cinema room. We do have a bigger one, but if you come on in, you can see we also have a karaoke machine attached to it, which is super exciting. Students love it. So if you come through this way, let me show you. We also have a few more study spaces. These ones are a bit more private, and if you want to do a small group study session. And we also have Mother, which is the name of our vending machine. I really like this vending machine because I recommended it, and that's just one of the many benefits of living at Trinity View. If you ask reception staff for something, they're super receptive and you might end up with another mother. Welcome to our gym. The Trinity View gym is open 24/7 and it is completely insured for all of our students. So down here we have a lot of cardio equipment, and here we have a lot of weights as well. So if you want to connect to the TV, if you want to play a workout video session with your friends, you can also do that. I'm always down here around in the morning. It's never too packed and it's very spacious compared to a lot of the gyms and other accommodations. And one of the best features is that because we're connected to that outdoor area, if you want to do some yoga outside, you can also do that. Super flexible for you. Our courtyard area is massive and it's perfect for socializing, playing games, and just enjoying the summer sun. So recently we've had a few upgrades. We've got a lot more ping pong tables, we've got Jenga, we've got some foosball table, and down here we have our outdoor cinema. So it's super cool. We have a projector connected to it, and if you want to chill and relax with your friends, just watch a movie, you can also do that. So at Trinity View we have two blocks. We have block A that goes all the way to 20 floors, and then we have our block B that goes up to 6 floors. If you don't want to walk outside, you can also get through the blocks indoors, and it doesn't really matter which block you're allocated to because the community here makes it so easy for everyone to mingle, and all of our shared facilities makes it so that you don't really feel the difference of where you are at all. At Trinity View we also have our badminton net, and it just provides an amazing leisure activity for you to enjoy with your friends. And in this area we actually host so many events as well. So outdoor summer events, giving you an opportunity for you to drink, make new friends, and just enjoy the summer heat. So this is our Trinity View study room. Perfect for days when you don't have classes on campus but you still want to have a really productive study. We also have 2 private areas where you can study by yourself or in a group. We generally keep this area really quiet, so perfect for studying and perfect for independent learning. And yeah. So this is our rooftop. It's one of the highlights of our building here. You can see the view of Coventry very clearly, and it's very beautiful at night. I personally love coming up here with my friends to enjoy the sunset during summer and to enjoy the cool breeze during winter. We had a lot of snowball fights when it was snowing that day in Coventry, and it's just a great place to socialize, to drink, to talk, and if you live here you'll definitely find yourself up here a lot. So this is our shared dining space on the 10th floor. It's perfect for dinner parties and it's always booked for people's birthdays. It gives you perfect location to come relax with your friends in a private area if you don't feel like doing so in your flat. And yeah, I have many memories up here for people's birthdays, just drinking together and just chilling, and it's a very impressive room. So this is our 10th floor cinema room. As you can see, we've got a huge monitor, and we've also got a karaoke machine if you want to have a more intimate singing session with your friends. We've got very comfy sofas. I will have to admit, I have fallen asleep on this before, so what can you say? We're always in here watching Love Island during the summer and just watching funny movies. So I think it's the perfect spot to just hang out with your friends if you don't feel like going out. So this is one of our bedrooms. This is a deluxe mid bedroom, and as you can see, it's very spacious. I have a tent in here just because why not? There's lots of space room and there's many amenities within this room. So it's important to note that all of the Trinity View rooms are all included. So all of our bills are included. You don't pay for lighting, water, electricity, anything. All of the rooms come with a small heater in the corner, but it's perfect and it heats up your whole room during winter. And you get a spacious wardrobe, you get a nice desk and chair, and you also get 3/4 of a double bed in a lot of our en-suites. And in some of the studios and one-bedroom apartments, you get a full-size double bed. So it's really nice and spacious. And yeah, if you come through here, we have our ensuite bathroom. The bathrooms come with lighting around the mirror and just a very spacious shower for you to use. And we've also got a small drying rack in there as well. So it's a very spacious ensuite. So this is a standard shared kitchen flat, and as you can see, we have sofas as well as a TV for students to connect Netflix to, and you can just chill with all of your flatmates in here. The kitchen itself is very spacious and modern because Trinity View is quite a recently built accommodation. Everything has not been used as much, so it's very new for you. My personal favorite feature, and I think everyone's, is definitely the washing machine, because you save up so much money when you have the washing machine free of use in your kitchen. So all of the flats in Trinity View come with their own washing machine. My first year I lived in an accommodation that didn't have a washing machine, and you spend so much money on it. We've also got a dishwasher, which just makes life so much easier because you don't have to manually wash everything. We've got very spacious cooking area for you and all of your flatmates, microwave, oven, and possibly everything you would need to cook. We also like to keep our spaces clean, so we have some items that will help you keep clean. All of our kitchens come with a mop, a broom, as well as an iron, so it just helps you stay super clean. And the maximum amount of people you'd have to share a fridge with is 3. So that just means that you get so much space for all of your food items, and you don't really have to worry about not buying enough and stuff like that.